Where the fuse box is located in your 2024 Kia Carnival. In this user guide, we'll explore the fuse box diagram, its exact location, and how to understand the functions of each fuse, ensuring you're well prepared for any electrical issues. Driver's side fuse panel. The driver's side fuse panel in the 2024 Kia Carnival provides easy access to fuses controlling interior functions, such as lighting, power windows, and the audio system. It's conveniently located under the dashboard for quick troubleshooting. The panel is labeled for easy identification of each fuse's purpose. Engine compartment fuse panel. The engine compartment fuse panel in the 2024 Kia Carnival houses critical fuses for engine components, such as the ignition system, cooling fans, and ABS. It's located near the battery for easy access. This panel is essential for maintaining key vehicle functions and offers a labeled layout for quick identification of fuses. Engine compartment fuse panel battery terminal cover. The engine compartment fuse panel, battery terminal cover, protects essential fuses connected to the battery and electrical systems. It ensures safe operation and easy access for maintenance or fuse replacement. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.